Jensen, the Anderson Bridges, EJ Pony Incorporated, and Chase Hines got outbound. Your winner, 81, Ashley Anderson.
Woo! It was a girl that won.
Number 23.
What?
So one, T. Elson's Plumbing Minnesota Late Model Heat Race getting set to roll out onto the racetrack. Line is going to look like this. Driver going to go over inside roll one. He's out of player. Fans, Jerry Manufacturing 27. That will be Jake Brodetsky starting inside of the front row. And his outside of the outbound. He has one win of the year. The T. Elson Chevrolet 58. That should be A.J. Debo. Next row back on the inside. Driver racing out of an Audi. Sits in the timber end of Tractor Central 68. That will be Mike Brockdown. Going to his outside. This driver racing on the outbound and a two-time winner of the Don Sheet Medal, Wisconsin Fleet Service 85. Motorsports at 31, and that will be Mike Keller.
My arm is like 7 minutes. I'm gonna show myself down.
I gotta save this whole video. I gotta record till we're finished.
I'll wait till we start racing.
Yeah, we'll pause it.
Real quickly, happy birthday to Children
Stop!
Hey Liz, happy birthday, alright? Also, happy birthday to Ron Brockdown, also celebrating a birthday this weekend. So here we go, your one T. Elson Plumbing Minnesota Late Model
27, you guys.
A.J. Debo from row one. Caution on the racetrack. You can see it laying over there in turn 3. Jake Brodetsky scored your lead.
I think it was 57.
AJ coming off a big win a week ago last Saturday night at the Cedar Lake Speedway. He put in $3,000 check in his pocket, so congratulations to AJ.
Is it 57 the black car?
So Jake Brodetsky, AJ Debo, Mike Brockdown, John Canty, two-time winner Rick Anderson, Mike Keller, and Cole Spence.
57 down.
58, I think 58.
So 5 laps have been scored for Jake Brodetsky. 5 down, 3 to go for Brodetsky. into the 58.
Alright, you guys, we got the little one.
Rolling out onto the racetrack. Josh Creighton will go from inside of row 1 and going to his outside. He's on an app of their own LTD in the 21. That should be out of a half starting outside of the first row. Second row back on the inside. He is out of an Audi, the Willys Auto Body and Frame at 34. That should be Jordan Langer. We go to Langer's outside. This driver's out of Glenwood Speed. M&M Bar 41B. That should be William Bull. Extra back on the inside. Racing it outbound. The Austin going 67. That should be Jason Holte. And going to Holte's outside. This driver racing out of Elmwood in the Kitchener Farm 68. That'll be Shadow Kitchener. Fourth row back on the inside. This driver racing out of Wheeler in the Conklin Tree Farms 14B. That should be Lucas Brackett. And going to Brackett's outside. This driver's out of an Audi in the edge-to-edge Walnut Snow Removal 91. That should be Sean Speed. Derek Fromride will go from inside of row 5 and Robert Foster to the outside. Chadwell, Derek inside of row 6 and Nicholas Savage to the outside of the 713 team. Seventh row back on the inside out of Wheeler, the ATV. That will be Dean Butler. Going to Butler's outside of the 103.7. That will be Dave Foster. Eighth row back on the inside. Slated to be Randy Goss out of outbound to the 50%. To his outside should be Brad York. And the 17 and the final starter on the field racing out of Louisville over 1H. That should be Ross Hoffman.
What? Liam, I'm just sitting down here. Alright guys, we're a little closer. Here they come. Alright. Here comes the little ones. Oh, yeah. I'm sitting down here, you get great things. Come down here. Alright guys, we got
So caution lights dropping down around the Red Cedar Speedway. Our first A-main of the night. 10
Oh, we got a
laps
green
distance.
flag, you guys.
Josh Creighton inside of row 1 out of a half mark to the outside.
34, I call 34. Alright, you guys. What? Yeah, because they know it's the little cars and it's not that important. Alright, let's go, you guys. If this is over 15 minutes, I can't post it on YouTube, but if it isn't, I can post it on YouTube. Alright, here they come again. That didn't sound good.
You want to go get a souvenir right now?
Mom, can we go?
Up there.
Where?
Let's go here.
Oh. Mom, can we go get a souvenir now? Alright,
Oh, show's over?
What's over?
Working underneath Hackbuff to take over 5th to the 91.
What? Yeah, come on.
in turns 3 and 4. So also Hoffman involved in the 1H. So we'll have to reset the field here very quickly. Jeremy Johnson, your leader. That Shadow Kitchener out in 68. And I spoke to Jeremy earlier tonight, and he said that car has been sold, and the new owners are picking it up tomorrow. So Shadow told him, do not wreck that thing. But wow, what a fast car that is. But new owners for the 68
it's 50%.
as of tomorrow.
50% is back out there.
So we will very quickly here sort things out, and we should be set to go.
Purple car got out.
Why? What happened?
Something went wrong.
Oh, they're all over there.
Alright, they're coming back around again.
I'm going to bed.
Oh, purple car's back in.
Where's
Here they come, you guys.
Where's that? Come on.
Right here they come, you guys. There they are. Come on, 68. You got this.
I got out.
No, yours is in there
I thought you
still.
said purple was out.
Yeah, they came over for it, but 50%. Yeah, it is. There it is, right next to the white car.
Get off the floor.
So green, white, checkered for Jeremy Johnson and company. William Bolts and Jason Holte going to get another crack at the driver of the 68. Green, white, checkered on Cobb Chevy Town 9.
Alright, let's go, you guys. Come on, 68.
Pants get on.
Whoa, look at all that dust over there.
One more time, white flag
Oh, we
waving
got
for
white flag.
Jeremy Johnson.
Two cars are above me earlier. What? Two cars are above me.
Where? Oh, the blue and the blue?
No, they're your car and a white car.
Checkered flag waving this time 5 for Jeremy Johnson.
Here they are. Good race.
So there you have it. Coming home third will be the 17 Brad York. He started 16th on the field. What a run by the 17. You do better though when it's
Take a win.
maybe a little bit. Give him a big hand. Your current feature winner tonight. Your trophy 2 Valley Rhythm Explosion.
I think they're done.
Jeremy.
Is it over? Oh. There's like all the tractors are out again, guys. All the tractors
Rest of
are
our
out.
features
I thought it
coming
was
up here
over, but
very
it's
shortly.
not.